Okay.
Click thumbs up, do 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 do. Click subscribe, do 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 do. Freddy's Little Bites.
Let's go.
Hi guys, it's Eddie on Eddie's Little Bites, and today we're doing our 5th part of the Alexa challenge.
Woo-hoo-hoo. We'll see what she's going to give today. So what is the Alexa challenge?
So it is where we gotta ask Amazon Alexa, and I'm gonna pull from this Follow Llama bin. We gotta ask her to give us a recipe, and that first thing that pops up, we have to eat and bake.
And then, yeah, we have to eat it, whether it turns out good, bad, indifferent, or something we aren't even like. And we also have some crazy things in there too, right? Like Maxi Bites choice. Oh, I would hate to see what that is.
Okay, so I'm picking.
Well, he's picking. If you're new to our channel or have been around a while and you really enjoy us, please subscribe and like and comment. And here we go. What did we get?
Salad.
Salad. All right.
Salad.
So go ahead and
Alexa, show us a recipe for salad.
Okay, for salad, here's a few recipes. And lots more.
ooh, that one looks great. A guacamole salad. So this is a Food Network kitchen by Garten. So we got grape tomatoes, different bell peppers, beans, onions. Oh, lime. Oh, this is looking good, bud. All right, and of course, avocados. So what do we have to do? What do we have to do? Wow, that was an extreme close-up. Yes, so we gotta go shopping for some of these ingredients, and then we will be
back. Oh yeah. A big shout out and big congratulations to Pirate Cupcake for winning our $50 gift card.
That's right, we're gonna link to her channel.
Up right, either of these sides.
Yeah, one of those sides you'll be able to find. I'll post something there. Also in our description. And make sure for us, please go and check out her YouTube channel and subscribe on her channel.
Definitely, she is very nice.
She really is.
So here are all the ingredients. And just for a reminder, we are making guacamole salad.
Yes, from the Food Network kitchen. And what exactly did we have to get?
What is it, pepper?
Cayenne. Well, cayenne pepper is up there, but that's a jalapeno.
A lime. A red onion.
Yep.
Avocado.
Yep, 2 avocados.
And garlic. Grape tomatoes. Red bell pepper.
Is that red?
I was looking at that.
Oh, what color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Red pepper and black beans.
And they also call for salt and pepper and very good extra virgin olive oil. So what do we have to do now? Lots of
Prep work.
Yeah, we have a lot of dicing and slicing and cutting and
Dabbing.
Yep, that's exactly right. So we're gonna start getting our prep station together and
we'll be back. So we are gonna cut up the cherry tomatoes in
Halves.
halves.
And as always, Max is stomping around in the kitchen.
Woo!
Just
Squirt.
Well, that
made a mess.
That made a hot mess.
Take 2 of trying to cut a cherry tomato without spraying it.
There you go. Much better.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna cut up 1 pint of the cherry tomatoes, and we'll start with the other vegetables.
I wonder if this makes a bell sound. It really is a bell pepper.
All right, so with a true bell pepper, we're going to have it, get the seeds out, And then we're going to cut it into 1/2 inch diced.
Okay.
According to that, 1/2 inch diced. Okay, so not cut it into anything. We're just gonna half diced inch. Yeah,
Like
something like that. All right, you're gonna need a different knife.
Okay. So I'm gonna slice the bell pepper. The
Yes.
real bell pepper.
Dice up the bell pepper. Yes. Nice.
We rinsed and dried these black beans, and I'm gonna put them right in here.
We might need a bigger bowl.
I like black beans.
Nice.
I put on gloves because I wear contacts and I don't want to have an issue later on this evening. And I am going to cut this up. We only need about 2 tablespoons. And this needs to be seeded and diced. So no seeds. And we're going to dice it up.
Because
So-
it's spicy with the seeds, right, Mama?
Yeah, they say, I've heard different things, but they say that the spice is is in the seeds.
That's where most of the capsaicin is.
But I'm still gonna have milk next to me when I eat this because I do not want to get a spicy feeling because I do not like spicy stuff.
I'm getting ready to dice up 1/2 cup of red onion. They want it cut pretty fine. I figured since I already had the gloves on, I might as well leave them on. For the onion.
So we'll get this cut up and add our garlic and move on to the next step.
Yes.
Yeah!
All right, we're about ready to add the onion. That's about 1/2 cup there into our mix with our everything else ready to go. Okay.
Garlic's already in there.
Yep. I think we're on to the avocado.
Ooh.
Oh, lime zest.
Lime zest.
Lime zest.
Lime zest.
I am zesting the lime.
Excellent.
We goofed, so Mama's rescuing the
Garlic.
garlic.
Man, you have a hard time with vegetables.
I kind of do.
Yeah, the garlic actually goes into the dressing, not into the actual salad, so...
Yeah.
So we'll do that. And next we're going to be adding in here the extra virgin olive oil, the garlic obviously, cayenne pepper, salt, and regular pepper.
I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive.
EVOO, as Rachel Ray from back in the day would
I think
say.
she still says it.
Does she? Oh, that's right. She still has a show.
She does. Keep going. You can look right in the top with this. Here, I'll hold. You can hold that with 2 hands.
Because I'm worried I'm gonna drop it.
Knowing our luck, the cork will come out of it and it'll just make a mess.
We've added the pepper, the cayenne pepper, the olive oil, and what was it?
Salt.
Salt. And now we're going to add
The lime.
lime juice.
This. Yeah, we might want to add that to we might want to do that into here so we can fish out any seeds. Because see, I found one right there. So here you go. Hold that in one hand and you press it in and twist, okay? Mm-hmm. Press it kind of hard.
Yeah, you got to really juice that baby. You're gonna juice
Yeah,
it.
squeeze it a little.
Juice and squeeze. Juice and squeeze.
Go.
I'm gonna add the lemon juice.
Lime. Lime. Man, you and your fruit and vegetables. And then we're going to whisk.
Whoa, look at that.
Yeah, it's cool.
And now we're gonna
Whisk to combine. Make a nice emulsion. That looks yummy.
pour the Thousand Island dressing, I'm guessing.
It's not Thousand Island. It's just an emulsion of oil and juice and pepper and salt. Oh my.
There you go. Good job.
Okay, looks like we need a spatula because all the other stuff is stuck in there. And then it says to mix well, and then we're going to do the avocado, and then it says to fold the avocado into the salad, and then it's ready to eat.
Avocado! So we're gonna slice, and I'm gonna take out the, and Mama Bites is gonna slice, and And she's gonna take out the pit and I'm gonna, what is it?
You're gonna use a spoon to get the flesh out, and then we're gonna cut it up.
Oh, and these are from avocados from Mexico. It actually said it on the tag.
You're right. So for those that haven't used avocados before, they have these big pits, and the best way to do it is to not cut yourself and actually just hit it with a knife like that and turn.
And
Got
then
it
it
in the wrong
comes out.
spot.
Wow. We're struggling here.
So I am going to get the flesh out of the avocado.
Yeah, that pit did not come out easy. The normal trick did not work. We had to finesse it a little bit.
Kind of pry it out. Good job. Mommy Bites did the first half to kind of show Eddie how to do it.
Because I've never actually played with an avocado before.
I'm glad you haven't played with an avocado before. You can eat avocados.
But not play. Never play with your food, by the way.
So while Mama Bites is prepping the avocados, we've mixed the dressing into the salad, and doesn't that just look beautiful? Beautiful color, a lot of texture, and it smells great. So looking forward to this. Mama Bites is cutting up the avocado there, and I think that looks ready to go. So we'll add that in, and then we fold it into the mix.
What we're going to do is fold. So you go to the bottom and you go over the top. So we don't want to mush up the avocado. We just want to kind of mix it in. So can you try that?
Yeah, the idea of folding is so you don't really squish anything.
You do it sometimes with things that have egg whites so that you don't make them deflate. You fluffed egg whites.
All right, that's looking great.
It's looking delicious.
So I think it's ready for serving. What do you guys think?
I think there's a little bit that needs some dressing, and then we're going to do our
Final. Hoorah.
Okay, so here's what it looks like according to the Food Network kitchen. And here is what we have. So I would say we're pretty successful, don't you think?
I think it looks pretty close.
And we're kind of mixing things up this time. We're starting with
Mommy Bites.
Mama Bites.
Alrighty, I'm going to try and get a little bit of a bunch of the different ingredients. And it is really good. It tastes like guacamole
Really?
with a little bit of additional dressing. It's very yummy.
Well, it's called guacamole
Salad, you're right, bud.
so it should taste like guacamole.
That's a great observation there, young man.
Thanks.
I wanted to take a bite with the jalapeno, and it really isn't spicy.
Okay.
So when it's Eddie's turn, I've got him some milk all prepared. I don't think he's gonna need it. All right, his turn.
All right, Daddy Bites is up. Yeah, we're really mixing things up this time. Eddie's going last.
Yeah.
So let's see what I say. I got some cayenne. Very, very good. I do taste the jalapeno, but again, it's not really hot at all. The dressing does have that little bit of cayenne pepper. You can taste it, but it's not really making it hot at all. You can taste all the lime, which really makes it great. And yeah, it does taste a lot like guacamole, and I love guacamole, so. It's really a great salad.
You probably could even scoop it with nacho chips, couldn't you, Daddy Bites?
You probably could. That's not a bad idea. A little time to make it, but I would say it's well worth it, and you get a decent amount for the ingredients. So with that, I think the little guy is next, and here's to our Alexa challenge again.
So it's my turn. So I will try. I'll get some beans and It is really good.
You like it?
So, I don't think I've really had guacamole that much.
No, I don't think you have.
So, I don't know what guacamole tastes like, but I'm pretty sure it tastes like it. If Mama Bites and Daddy Bites say it. It does taste a lot. It does taste very good. I'm going to try bean. And it's very healthy for you.
Was it spicy at all? Have you had any bites of spice?
No.
Didn't need his milk.
You haven't needed your milk yet, right?
I don't think there is any more spice in here. I'm just having my milk because I like milk. Remember to subscribe, and if you don't, guacamole will come and drop on your head. And ring that bell pepper bell. and bean comment below.
A bean comment?
Yeah.
That's silly.
And we answer all bean comments. Any kind of comment. And remember to enjoy every little bite. Bye.